you get completely hands-on experience.
The best mentors.
If you're new to the field and want to gain some skills faster than the other opportunities, then I would suggest DPS because you get completely hands-on experience and have chance to meet with great people.
Three things. The first one is you get to work on a real project with real stakeholders and you get to apply what you already know. So you get to learn a lot. And the second one that I love the most is it's very diverse. So you get to meet a lot of people from various different countries. And it's an excellent networking opportunities. And third one is that you have the best mentors. They will be there to guide you every step of the way, so you don't feel like you don't feel overwhelmed or anything. So yeah, these are my top 3 reasons to apply for DPS.
So I think DPS is a really great opportunity to know a new country and really live in there for a while and maybe even find work there. And I think this is just a really great chance.
Because it's truly an amazing experience.